Religious and community leaders bear a unique responsibility to guide conscience, organize care, and hold communities together when institutions fail. Artificial intelligence can strengthen that vocation if treated as an instrument of service rather than a spectacle. Used well, AI helps leaders listen more widely, teach more clearly, organize more fairly, and protect the vulnerable. Used carelessly, it amplifies noise, spreads error at unprecedented speed, and turns pastoral work into shallow performance. The wise path is disciplined adoption that honors truth, privacy, and human dignity. Many congregations and community groups are multilingual and have mixed literacy levels. AI translation and summarization tools allow a leader to draft a sermon, khutbah, Devar Torah, or teaching outline in clear English, then render it into Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Pidgin, or French, while preserving tone and scripture citations. Voice-to-text can turn spoken reflections into editable notes. Text-to-speech can create audio devotionals for members who prefer listening during commutes. Leaders should not outsource conviction to a machine. Still, they can use AI as an editor to tighten structure, clarify metaphors, and check references, freeing time for prayer, study, and visiting the sick. With consent and strict confidentiality, AI-powered notes can track birthdays, hospitalizations, bereavements, new jobs, and prayer requests, ensuring no one is forgotten. Simple automations can schedule follow-ups 2 weeks after a funeral, 3 days after surgery, or during exam periods for students. Chat assistants can answer routine questions, provide service times, offer directions, and handle volunteer sign-ups, so human energy is reserved for complex needs. None of this replaces presence. It ensures presence is timely. Community listening is where AI can correct leadership blind spots. Leaders often hear the loudest voices, not the most representative ones. By aggregating anonymous feedback from WhatsApp groups, SMS polls, or suggestion forms, AI can summarize concerns by theme and urgency: youth employment, school fees, domestic violence, addiction, or neighborhood safety. Geotagged notes used ethically reveal where outreach is thin. This turns vague impressions into priorities, enabling boards and councils to allocate scarce funds and volunteers fairly, rather than by habit. Faith-based organizations have long run schools, clinics, apprenticeships, and savings groups. AI extends that heritage. Reading coaches can personalize phonics practice. Math tutors can adapt exercises to each child's level. Career guides can help youth explore trades, scholarships, and micro-enterprise ideas. For adult congregants, AI can assist with CV writing, interview preparation, basic bookkeeping, and small business planning. Leaders should curate trustworthy tools, teach skeptical use, verify before you act, and establish community computer corners with safe, supervised access. Misinformation is a pastoral hazard, not merely a technical one. Deepfakes, fabricated quotes, and edited videos now circulate with convincing polish. Leaders must model verification, check sources, reverse search images, and publish short truth notes when rumors threaten harmony. Establish a simple rule across groups. Before forwarding, ask who made this, when, and for what purpose. Provide a designated channel for fact-checking so congregants know where to report suspicious content. Truth-telling is a spiritual discipline. AI equips it at the speed of the timeline. Administration, the unglamorous backbone of service, can be made humane. Donation records, welfare requests, and bursary applications often sit in scattered notebooks. AI-assisted forms can standardize data collection, eliminate duplicate aid, and surface the most urgent cases using transparent criteria approved by leadership. Budget drafts can be generated from last year's actuals and then debated line by line. Meeting minutes can be transcribed automatically and circulated promptly, strengthening accountability. The aim is not bureaucracy, it is stewardship. Safeguards are non-negotiable. Sensitive information, counseling notes, giving history, and immigration status must never be pasted into public AI tools. Leaders should choose enterprise solutions with encryption, access controls, and clear data use terms. Appoint a data steward, train staff and volunteers on confidentiality, and publish a plain language privacy policy. When using generative tools for teaching aids, cite sources and disclose assistance when material. Never fabricate testimonies or miracles. Integrity is worth more than engagement. inclusion requires deliberate design. Many elders prefer voice and in-person visits. Many youths prefer chat and short videos. Offer both. Provide USSD or SMS channels where smartphones are scarce. Translate announcements, ensure captioning for the hearing impaired, and create child-safe filters for any youth platform. Measure reach. Which neighborhoods, languages, ages, or disability groups are underserved? AI can highlight gaps, leadership must close them. Partnerships multiply impact. Map local NGOs, clinics, schools, and social workers. Use AI to maintain an up-to-date directory and manage referral flows for addiction recovery, legal aid, maternal health, and shelter. Train volunteers with microcourses, trauma-informed listening, safeguarding, and financial counseling, and track certifications. Publish quarterly dashboards showing services delivered, funds used, and outcomes achieved. Transparency is a testimony. Finally, guard the soul of the work. AI can polish prose, schedule volunteers, and process feedback, but it cannot lament, forgive, or rejoice. It cannot sit silently with a grieving mother or challenge an influential donor with prophetic courage. Let the machine handle repetition. Let humans handle compassion and conviction. Leaders should teach communities why the tools are used and where they stop, so that technology remains a servant of love, justice, and truth, rather than a substitute. If we hold that line, AI will help religious and community leaders rediscover their ancient calling with modern strength, to gather the scattered, lift the lowly, and keep hope alive in a noisy age. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for listening.